Hello guys, welcome back. This is McqProf YouTube channel, www.McqProf.com. Welcome back. Psychology MCQ Questions. Q1. What is acoustic encoding? Attaching meaning to information. Only go over the information twice. Repeat the information over and over. Storing a picture of the information in your memory. Q2. Which of the following is not a goal of psychology? Control, prediction, measurement, intellectualism. Q3. Which of the following is true about health psychology? Health psychology focuses primarily on psychological disorders. Health psychologists work in the area of mental health only. Health psychology is a one-dimensional approach to human health. Health psychologists study the roles of stress and coping in people's lives. Q4. Gestalt psychology started as a movement opposed to behaviorism, functionalism, Wundt's approach, Kitchener's system. Q5. Watson is to behaviorism as Rogers is to psychology, Aristotle, humanistic, nature-nurture, social-cultural. Q6. Contemporary psychology is best defined as the science of behavior and mental processes, maladaptive and adaptive behaviors, observable responses to the environment, conscious and unconscious mental activity. Q7. Today Gestalt ideas are part of which branch of psychology? Operationism, Gestalt psychology, cognitive psychology, all of the above. Q8. Social psychology differs from psychology in its focus on impression formation, interpersonal attraction, enjoying the boring tasks, influences of the social world. Q9. Modern psychology is best described as the scientific study of the mind, behavior, human thought and behavior, all of the above. Q10. Which branch of psychology is most directly concerned with the study? Social psychology, personality psychology, experimental psychology, developmental psychology. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. www.McqProf.com